In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot Memory to personalize your Microsoft Copilot experience. Let's dive right in. First, we need to open up a web browser and head over to Google. Once there, type in Microsoft Copilot to start your search. It's important to initiate the search this way because it gives you access to the most updated version of the Copilot tool you're looking to customize. Now, go ahead and click on the official Microsoft Copilot website. This is your central hub for accessing all the features and updates that Microsoft has to offer with Copilot. Once on the site, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a prompt, allowing the AI to remember your preferences. Suppose you're someone who enjoys step-by-step tutorials. Type in, "Remember that I like step-by-step tutorials." This ensures the AI tailors information to suit your preferred learning style, making future interactives more seamless and helpful. Once you've entered your preference, the next step is simply to click Submit. This action saves your preference within the system, so it knows to adapt content presentation accordingly. Now let's move on to establishing another preference. Many users prefer information displayed in bullet forms for clarity. To cater to this, create a new preference with the text, "I prefer bullet forms." Again, clicking Submit will confirm this preference, allowing the AI to adjust its responses to fit your favored format. After setting up your preferences, it's time to test out how Copilot integrates these customizations into its functionality. Imagine you need a comprehensive guide on a complex topic like investing in the stock market. Enter a prompt asking the AI to make me a step-by-step tutorial in investing on the stock market. This leverages the preferences you've set, prompting the AI to deliver a response that's both sequential and visually digestible. As before, ensure you click Submit, cementing your request so the AI can compile and present the relevant information in line with your personalized settings. This interactive experience not only demonstrates the adaptive capabilities of Copilot, but also underscores its utility in providing information delivered in the most user-friendly manner based on individualized setups. There you have it. A straightforward way to enhance your experience with Microsoft Copilot by utilizing its memory feature. Through setting preferences, submission, and practical application, you're in control of making the AI work best for your learning and informational needs. By personalizing your Copilot experience this way, you can ensure that your interactions are as efficient and effective as possible, tailored specifically to how you process information best. Keep experimenting with different preferences to continuously fine-tune your user experience with Copilot.